Hey everyone, I'm Michael Argueta, co-founder of Bright Thrive Marketing, and I'm here to talk with you today about utilizing Google's cutting-edge artificial intelligence and behavioral prediction to vastly improve your online marketing efforts. If you have a business with a physical location that you want to drive more traffic to, then this video is definitely for you. Right now we're in Google Ads and we're in the conversions area, and we're going to be talking about the store visits conversion action. Google counts a store visit when someone clicks on your ad and then visits your business's physical location. And this is so huge because you can then see, well, what's my cost per store visit? How much is it costing me to bring in a person into my business? You can see your advertising cost per store visit, and that can be so helpful in putting your ad budget, more of your ad budget towards what's working best. Which advertising efforts have the lowest cost per store visit. It's fantastic. But the real magic really starts to happen when you configure your Google Ads account to show your ads more to people who Google knows are most likely going to visit your business after clicking on your ad. We have seen amazing results in terms of reducing cost per store visit. It is magical. So to do this, you click on store visits and you go into the conversions settings, and you want to make sure that goal and action optimization, this is set as a primary action, and you want to make sure that its monetary value is set to the highest amount, higher than any other conversion in your account, if your marketing objective is to bring more people into your business's physical location. Okay, so now we're in our campaigns settings, and you navigate to your campaign settings by clicking on your campaign in the far right gray column, and then clicking on settings here in the white column. Then you go to bidding, and you want to make sure that it's set to maximize conversion value. And since we set store visits to have the highest value of all the conversion actions in our account, Google Ads will show your ads more to people who are most likely going to perform a store visit. And that's how you show your ads more to people who are the most likely going to visit your business after interacting with your ads. Thanks for watching.